strawberry smoothie. So before anything we do, we always have to wash our hands for at least 20 seconds. And then dry it for at least like 10. So all the water gets in that towel. Okay, now we're gonna put all the ingredients into here to make it into the smoothie. And so you can use fresh strawberries or frozen strawberries. So I chose frozen from the freezer. Okay, now we're done pouring the milk and putting in the strawberries. So now we're gonna stir it up. Okay, there. That should be tight enough. And now we're gonna put it into the blender. And then we're gonna press power, slow. Okay, so we were done blending it. So now I'm gonna take the cap off and it's time for me to try it out. And you can also put bananas or blueberries or whatever you want in here, or sugar to make it more sugary instead of healthy. That's good. It's very easy to make, and I hope you can make it at your house too. Bye.